And then moving on to the university, it was a very different teaching learning model as opposed to what we're used to in Nepal, because there is a lot of self-study involved. So euta subject ko, we had a 3-year bachelor's degree and 1 year had 2 semesters. Each semester was just 12 weeks of study, 12 hafta study period. And then you would study 4 subjects in 1 semester. And harik subject ko just euta lecture र euta tutorial matrai huन्थ्यो के हप्ता भरिमा, that's it. So त्यो बाहेकको जति पनि assignments, readings, त्यो self-study, self-motivated. So although I performed well in my academics, I think you can do well. I mean, in my assignments, you could do well in your assignments. But looking back, if I would have really made use of that whole self-study culture, then I would have learned a lot more जस्तो हुन्छ नि, because 2 घण्टा ट्युटोरियलमा त यति धेरै कुरा कभर गर्छ, देन यति असाइनमेन्ट गरेर आइपुग्छ नेक्स्ट विक भने नि यति मात्र असाइनमेन्ट गरेर गइदिने. Whereas people who had been studying in that self-study culture, who had done their year 12 at ACU, they would have these like big notebooks and they would have like sticky notes hanging all around. उहाँहरूलाई चाहिँ आफै पढ्ने बानी रहेछ, हामीलाई चाहिँ पढाएको जति मात्र पढ्ने बानी हुन्छ. So that was a very different teaching learning experience, and that is what I say to all the people wanting to pursue a broader education. And I can only speak for Australia because that's where I've studied, is that self-study is going to be a very big part of your study. So if you want to succeed, and I don't just mean get well in your assignments, but really succeed in knowing the content of what is being taught, then get comfortable with self-study.